Buenos días a todos. I hope you're all doing great. If you're interested how to live in Colombia for free or other countries around the world, I guess this video is for you. If you're new here, my name is George, and I recently quit my job and decided to travel all around the world with the money that I saved with working in two different jobs. My goal is to extend my journey as much as possible while finding some ways to reduce my cost and also finding the ways to earn money. Today I'm gonna show you how I'm living here for free, what apps I'm using, how it works, and what way I found to earn money while I'm traveling, which everyone can do from all around the world. Now let's begin with the app I'm using and the offers and the opportunities that they provide. Worldpackers is a collaborative platform that connects you with hosts all around the world, where you can exchange your skills for accommodation and food. Okay, so let's open up the website and I'll show you how it works. Okay, so here is the website, Worldpackers. Now we go to volunteer opportunities. As you can see that they have a lot of destinations what they are offering. If you cannot see the destination in the country that you would like to see, you can just write down, let's say for now, Italy. So here is like all the options that they have, 107 opportunities. Let's scroll down here and you can choose the availability, how you can help. So there's a like welcoming and helping guests, teaching and sharing, communication and marketing. Here are the skills that you could offer or you would like to improve. Here is like bartending, childcare, teaching languages, party promoter, photography, content creator, social media, and on and on. So, okay, let's choose now one of them. Let's say bartending. Let's open up one of them. Help us welcome our guests in Italy. So you have to work 20 hours per week as a bartender, and what they are offering. They are offering 2 days off per week, shared dorms, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I would say it's pretty nice option. You could choose. You live basically for free. Okay, so let me tell you about my routine, what I do, and what I receive in exchange. I work for about 4 to 5 hours per day, 5 times per week, so I have 2 days for free. Most of the times I organize the events, such as boat tours on an amazing island, or we go for a food tour in the city to taste all different food from Cartagena, or we go to pub crawls once a week. So there are a lot of different activities that I'm organizing, and at the same time, sometimes when they need help in the kitchen or reception, I'm helping them to prepare some meal. In exchange, I have a free breakfast, sometimes lunch, and also free nights to stay. I can go for some events for free, and I have 20% discount on everything in this hostel. Let me give you a little tour of this amazing hostel, which is called República Hostel. I'm not sure if you can see it. They have 3 different locations in Colombia. So if you decide to come in Cartagena, you should definitely visit this hostel. Right now I'm at the rooftop where they have a little swimming pool there, and also every day at 8 a.m. We have a yoga classes here on the rooftop. So this is my room. As you can see, I'm sharing this room with 3 other volunteers. Pretty comfortable, pretty air conditioners. They turn on only at night. But other than that, everything is good. So regarding the way that how I found to earn money, surprisingly now I'm a teacher of Georgian language. 2 weeks ago, I just signed up for this platform, and right now I have 2 students already, and I'm really happy because I am kind of flexible. I have flexible hours, and I can work from anywhere in the world. I never thought that I could be a teacher or someone was interested to learn in Georgian, but I thought like maybe I should give it a try, maybe I should see, just to give it a try, maybe someone is interested, so I could help them to teach Georgian. I know you might think that, yeah, George, but in my native language, there is already a lot of teachers, a lot of competition, but I promise you that if you try hard enough to sign up on different platforms, create your profile, sooner or later you will find some students. I know this because I have some friends that start doing exactly the same. They thought that it was a big competition on their field, and I am not saying it's not. There is a big competition, but you just have to try hard to find somehow the students and the way to earn money. Also, some other way, in case if you don't know any other language, you can teach to kids some basic mathematics or biology or whatever you are good in. I think it's really nice way to start something and have some really small extra cash. To sum up my experience working in a hostel as a volunteer, first of all, I will tell you that this is my first time as well, and I'm loving it because I have a lot of opportunity to meet people from all around the world, and at the same time, I can explore this amazing country, its own culture. So anyone who is interested to travel all around the world in a minimal budget, I think this opportunity is for you. So what are you waiting for?